Good morning, this is Paul Reiber with Vroom Video Marketing coming to you from Car Zone Sales in Paw Paw. Looking at a gorgeous 2007 red Lincoln Mark LT 4-wheel drive V8 5.4 liter. Gorgeous truck. Leather interior with piping. Classy, luxurious. This is a beautiful truck and powerful as well. I personally owned a truck nearly exactly like this, and I had an 8,000 pound boat and it pulled it like it wasn't even back there. So I know this has a lot of power and it can pull and pull. This is a beautiful truck. It's got a rear DVD system. It's got a really nice tonneau cover that slides, which I'll show you momentarily. CarZoneSales.com is a website if you want to check out the entire inventory. This is the Paw Paw location. The number is 269-657-5700. They can help you get financed no matter what your credit. With good credit, they deal with all the local banks and credit unions. They can help you secure the lowest rate possible. If you don't have the greatest credit, they can help you get a loan. Trucks like this typically takes a pretty big down payment. This has got a, see, this is it's got the chrome railings on the side, and then the tonneau cover here. It's really cool. It locks, and then you can just push it forward and pull it back. It's also got a trailer tow package, obviously, and it's got the there's the CarZoneSales.com is the website. Check this out. I love this truck. One of my favorites. You can push this tonneau cover and just slide it forward. So if you got a lot of big stuff to carry, or it's so cool. Beautiful truck, sliding rear window. Then you just pull on the rope and pull it back. Absolutely beautiful. Car Zone Sales, they have a huge selection of gorgeous vehicles. Nothing boring on this lot. I personally walked both lots, and they have just beautiful, gorgeous, and they all come with warranty too. That's a huge deal. Most dealers these days have an as-is, no warranty. This is a 6-month, 7,500 mile warranty. Comes with every single vehicle they sell. Beautiful. 155, a lot of miles left, a lot of life left. Low mileage for 2007. Very low mileage. No lights on the dash. Cold air conditioning. Beautiful truck. 4-wheel drive engaged. If you're looking for a nice luxurious vehicle, and even if your credit's not the greatest, here you go. Beautiful truck for you. 269-657-5700. Look them up online. CarZoneSales.com. We got lots of financing options for literally any type of credit. Good, bad, indifferent, zero credit. A lot of folks going through some tough times because of this virus, and we're here to help. Give them a call. 269-657-5700. CarZoneSales.com. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great day.